So first method, make your account administrator, click to start, type cmd and then run as administrator, then click to yes. Then guys enter net user administrator space slash active comma yes and then hit enter. Okay, successfully accept and then close it. Then next, repair and reset the setting app. So click to start and type setting and just right click to app setting. Scroll down, click to repair, reset and then click to terminate. Okay, then next. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last. Hi guys, created a restore point or automatically created a restore point. How to restore? So click to start and type restore, create restore point, create restore point to click. You can type point, otherwise you create restore. So what is, then click to system restore, then next select this date, and you can check here to show all auto and manual. This is type, okay, then next and finish, and this is asking for the restart, and then click it.